This is the standard pirate theme room at the LEGOLAND Windsor Resort Hotel. The layout is very similar, if you're familiar with it, to the Bugby's room at CBeebies Land Hotel at Alton Towers. It feels ever so slightly smaller, but that might be me making it up. So let's have a little look round. So as you come into this first bit, there's kind of the kids section here with double bunk beds and a pull-out bed, which is really good if you've got either an extra kid or someone who's really small, like my toddler who's 2. If he's up on the top bunk, he's going to fall out and hurt himself. So that's really nice for that. Also, if there's problems in the night, which we had last time we stayed at Alton Towers, it means that either me or my wife can sleep there and kind of look after the kids in the middle of the night. So obviously very Lego piratey themed. There's like a big cabinet here with a TV in and some spinny blocks to help keep sort of really small ones amused for a bit. There's a little pirate rat down there. Arr! Nice pirate themed kind of bed sheets and pillows and things. Obviously it's a bit messy because I've had my kids in here. The monkey I will come back to in a minute, but there is kind of, you know, regular tea and coffee things. Really good sized mugs on these actually. Makes a nice change to have a big cup of coffee rather than the little small ones that you usually get. Lots of space for luggage. There's some big drawers, not really anything in them. I'll come back to all these Lego bits again. Then we have the bathroom here, which is pretty big actually, considering most people aren't really going to use it very much. There is a bath and a shower. It's pretty plain. There's a nice picture there, but little bits around the room. There's kind of like big bits made of Lego. So here there's a Lego pirate hat and hello in the mirror. There's a really cool big spider there with a skull on. I really like this window frame, the mirror frame, sorry. The only thing is I really wish that was Lego. Kind of missed a bit of a trick there. There's a nice low sink, so kind of small ones can get up and in there. And then same as the Alton Towers, CBeebies Land Hotel, there's kind of the toilet lid within the toilet lid for, again, small ones on there. And then back out, it's kind of a nice big place for your luggage and ironing board and things like that. And then the carpet's really cool in here, actually. It's got like a big piratey wooden floorboard with swords and coins and things on it, but it's really soft and plush, actually. There's like a full-length dress mirror there, and obviously more Lego things. So there's a nice cool big skull with a sword coming in his mouth. There's, you know, kind of some piratey bits. Big bed. Actually feels a lot better than the one at the CBeebies Land Hotel. It feels a bit more substantial. The one in the CBeebies Land is very, very springy. Difficult to kind of tell, but there's very sort of red and white themed on the lights. It reminds me a bit of TGI Fridays, but I'm sure that's not the vibe they're going for. Kind of very nautical things, so like the pirate ship steering wheel, ropes up there. Looking at the view, if I put that there, you can't really see it, but that's actually the lake out into the park. So we've got a view on the back of the hotel. There is some scaffolding out because they are having some work done, but not a bad view. Quite a lot of birds. And then we have kind of this dressing table, and there's a hairdryer, and the biggest surprise ever, the fridge. It's cold. Amazing. And then we have the travel cot already up and out ready for us. And of course there is a big TV and a Lego Dragonfly. So back to the monkey. This is really cool for kids. When you come into the room, there's like a treasure map, and basically you have to go around the room and find the number of things and you know, like the number of starfish or the number of swords, things like that, and you put together a code, and you put the code in here, and I've accidentally locked it again, so let's see if I can remember it. I'm not going to show, in fact I will show you, just in case you get stuck. So in case you can't see that, that is 2335. And in there's like a big goodie bag for kids. So it's kind of these bits up here. There was like a little Duplo duck for my really little one, and then There was a Lego Dreams, which she's started building. Some lanyards and a magazine as well. So I think that was really cool. And obviously then in each of these rooms, you get a huge amount of Lego to play and build. And it will basically keep them busy for hours. But in case you're wondering, this is the Monkey King. And I'm very happy with him. So this is the room. It's pretty good. It seems really good condition. There's a few scuffs and scrapes, but to be honest, it kind of fits in with the aesthetic of the pirate theme. So I'm really pleased with it. Let me know what you think. And hopefully I'll see you out there.